Hello everyone, let's start the class. We'll begin today's class with the kanji of kuni, that means country. Let's write it. So this is the kanji of kuni. Kuni means country. Another reading for kuni is koku. So when we say gai koku, this is gai and koku. This is, it means foreign country. Now we can make some sentences. If we want to say India is a hot country, okay, India is a hot country. We can say Indo wa atsui kuni desu. Indo wa atsui kuni desu. If we want to know someone's country, we can say A-san. Okay, A-san no kuni wa doko desu ka? Doko desu ka? So doko is where. So what country you are from will be anata no kuni wa doko desu ka? Next kanji is mawarimasu. First, second. Then we will write the kanji of kuchi inside and then we will close it. This is the kanji of mawaru, mawarimasu. So mawarimasu means to revolve or to rotate. It is also the counter of number of times, like 1 time, 2 time. When we want to say, it is the same meaning. And there the another reading is actually kai. So kai is the times. When we say once, it will be ikkai. Ikkai is once. Now let's make a sentence with mawarimasu. So there is also transitive and intransitive. Mawarimasu is intransitive and transitive for mawarimasu will be mawashimasu. Mawashimasu means to rotate something, to spin something, to spin. Okay. Now if we say the earth revolves around the sun, make a sentence, the earth revolves around the sun. So earth is chikyu. Chikyu wa sun will be called Taiyo. Sun here is the planet. So Taiyo is for the planet sun. Taiyo no Mawari. Mawari is again around. O Mawarimasu. Mawarimasu. Chikyu wa Taiyo no mawari o mawarimasu. Or the electric fan is on, is moving. So the fan is on. In that sense, when the fan is on, it will revolve, right? The blade will rotate. So this is how the Japanese say senpuki. Senpuki ga mawatte imasu. So the fan is on. Senpuki ga mawatte imasu. We can also say use this for kai, which means times. So when say the next time, it will be jikkai. Kai is also used as a counter for times. When we say next time, it will be jikai. So jikai is next time. So jikai, next time. Or we want to say third time, that will be sankai. Sankai is 3 times. Next kanji is the kanji of kata, which is also read as ho. So this ka first and then this. So this is the kanji of kata. This means way, method, or direction. So when we say kanji no kakikata, so kakimasu means to write. So what we do is we cut the mas and add kata, kakikata, which means way to write. Next is yomikata. Yomimasu, cut mas and add kata. It will be pronunciation or the way of reading. Okay. Another reading of this kanji is ho. Ho is direction. So I am going towards that direction. If we want to say, it will be watashi wa sochira no ho e ikimasu. I'll go towards that direction. Next kanji you will do is kanji of muko. First, second, third. So this kanji is the kanji of muko. Muko means the other side. Other side. Or the verb is mukimasu or mukemasu, transitive and intransitive. So let's make a sentence. If I say yoko o muite wa ikemasen, te wa ikemasen, the pattern we have done is don't look down. Okay, so yoko o muite wa ikemasen. It means don't look down. Mukaimasu. Mukaimasu, to face. So it is also to move towards somewhere. So if you want to say that person moved to America, we can say ano hito wa America e mukaimashita. So that person moved to or left for America. So this is how the kanji of muko is used. Next kanji is the kanji of imasu. This is the kanji of imasu. Imasu means to say, to speak. Another reading is gen. So when we say I said thank you, okay, I said thank you. It will be watashi wa. Thank you. Thank you is arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. To iimashita. Here iimashita will be engo. This kanji. So watashi wa arigatou gozaimasu to iimashita. Another reading is again, as I said, it is used for hogen. Hogen is dialect. Hogen. Dialect. Next is koto. Next reading is koto. Kotoba means word, or sometimes kotoba is also used as a language. So kotoba, this ba is here. So koto and ba. Kotoba. Next kanji is hanashimasu. So kanji of imasu, and this is the kanji, we join it. This kanji actually means tongue. This is the kanji of tongue. So let's do that first. First, second, third, fourth, sixth. So it means shita. Shita is tongue. So if I want to say taste it, or stick out your tongue, okay, stick out your tongue, it will be shita o dashite kudasai. Dashite kudasai. Shita o dashite kudasai. Next kanji we are going to do is the kanji of hanashimasu. Imasu and the kanji of shita, if we club it together, it will be hanashimasu. Hanashimasu means to speak or to talk. So when I say this kanji also means hanashi. Hanashi means the story. If we say hanashi, it will mean story. So if we say you can speak Japanese, or I can speak Japanese, speak Japanese, so it will be watashi wa nihongo o hanasu koto ga dekimasu. Watashi wa nihongo o hanasu koto ga dekimasu. So koto ga dekimasu means can speak Japanese. Okay. Next is hanashi, which means story. If we want to say mukashi banashi, the folk tale. Folk tale in Japanese is called mukashi banashi. So here hanashi has changed into banashi. We have put it ten because it has combined with mukashi, the word mukashi. Basically mukashi is this and hanashi will be this. It will be mukashi banashi. When we want to say the funny tale, it will be warai banashi. Warai banashi. It will be the kanji of waraimasu, and then hanashi, it will be warai banashi. the comic tale. Now let's start where we left in the last class. In the last class we were doing the potential form of the verbs. So we did it with the third group of the verb, shimas and kimas. Shimas changes into dekimas and kimas changes into koraremas. So let's do it with the group second today. Potential form. So group second we have tabemas, mimas, okimas, and now we can do, we'll cut mas and add rare mas, tabe rare mas. It will become potential form. Here also we'll cut mas and add rare mas. Mira re mas, it means can see. Oki mas will also become same. Oki rare mas, I can wake up. So let's make a sentence. If I say I can eat meat, okay, I can eat meat. So here can is coming with the eat. So we can use watashi wa niku. Niku is meat. So it is niku. Niku ga tabe rare mas. Watashi wa niku ga taberare mas. I can eat the meat. So here instead of using, we could have used niku o taberu koto ga dekimasu. So here taberu koto ga dekimasu. Instead of writing that, we have written taberare mas. And what has changed is O particle has changed into ga particle. So now I can say I can watch Japanese movie, okay, or I can wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, okay, I can wake up early morning. Just make a sentence. I can wake up early morning. So here watashi wa hayaku. Hayai will change into hayaku as an adverb. Watashi wa hayaku okiraremasu. Here no particle has come because there is nothing to put time or object. So watashi wa hayaku okiraremasu. Now let's learn it with the first group verb. So what happens with the first group verb is, suppose it is ikimasu or hanashimasu or machimasu. So we'll change this E sound into A sound. So ikimasu will change into ikemasu. Hanashimasu will change into hanasemasu. Machimas will change into matemas. Here, ikemas means can go. Hanasemas means can speak. Or matemas means can wait. So if I want to say I can go alone, I can go alone, I'll say watashi wa, alone is hitori de, hitori de, can go is ikemasu, watashi wa hitori de ikemasu. So I can go alone. Now if you want to say I can speak Japanese, I can speak Japanese. Watashi wa Nihongo ga hanasemasu. Hanasemasu is this. Hanashimasu will change into hanasemasu and particle ga will come. Next is machimasu. So I can wait. I can wait for an hour. So it will be watashi wa ichi jikan gurai matemasu. So let's make sentences from using these verbs. I can speak Japanese. So it will be watashi wa Nihongo ga hanasemasu. Or I can hear some sound, or I can understand. To understand is wakarimasu. Since understand in itself is a potential verb, wakarimasu will not change. Wakarimasu will remain same. So if I say I understand Japanese, I understand Japanese, it will be watashi wa Nihongo ga wakarimasu. So let's take few examples. We can add 2 or more sentences. First, I don't have money. Okane ga arimasen. Okane ga arimasen. Pasokon o kaimasen. Pasokon o kaimasen. Now using these 2 sentences, we have to make a potential sentence. Since I don't have money, I cannot buy pasokon on the personal computer. So we can say okane ga arimasen kara. Kara we have learned for the reason. okane ga arimasen kara pasokon ga kaemasen. So here O particle has changed into ga particle and E has changed into A. So this is the one example. We can take another example, which is I am busy, I cannot come tomorrow. I have some work. So yoji ga arimasu. Yoji is some work. Yoji ga arimasu. Ashita kimasen. Ashita wa kimasen. I will not come. Now, using this as a reason, will make the sentence. Yoji ga arimasu kara ashita wa koraremasen. So kimasen will change into koraremasen since there is no O particle, so nothing will change in the sentence. So here we will finish today with the potential form of the verb, and it's very interesting and useful for the language. Thank you.